Hello everyone, welcome back to PrimeMotorMax. In today's video, we're talking about the Tata Classic 110, a motorcycle designed for riders who want simplicity, reliability, and good fuel efficiency for everyday use. The Tata Classic 110 comes with a clean and traditional design. The round headlamp, simple body panels, and straight, comfortable seat give it a classic commuter bike look. It doesn't try to look sporty or aggressive, which makes it appealing to riders who prefer a practical and timeless style. This motorcycle is powered by a 110 cubic centimeters engine that focuses on smooth and stable performance. It's easy to ride in heavy traffic and suitable for beginners as well as experienced daily commuters. The engine is tuned for efficiency rather than speed, making city rides calm and stress-free. Mileage is one of the strongest points of the Tata Classic 110. Under normal riding conditions, it can deliver around 60 to 65 kilometers per liter, helping riders save on fuel costs. The upright riding posture and well-cushioned seat provide good comfort, even on uneven city roads. Overall, the Tata Classic 110 is a sensible choice for daily commuting. It offers a balance of comfort, fuel efficiency, and reliability. For more honest motorcycle reviews, stay tuned to PrimeMotorMax and don't forget to subscribe.